Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome to the ScareCorp channel. Today I'd like to do a tool review on this Mastercraft air compressor. Let's take a look around the box. Alright, so it's an 8-gallon air compressor. Motor's 2 horsepower. It's got 3-year warranty. Ideal for changing tires, building a fence, auto repair work. Lubricated motor and pump. Okay, just tells you can use attachments. Back here, like I said, 2 horsepower engine or motor, aluminum capacity housing, oil lubricated motor and pump, 6-inch rear wheels. Some of the things that you can use on it, so you can see that you can use, this is works continuously, and these are some of the things that I'll have troubles with. So inflation, brad nailer, finish nailer, roofing, impact wrench, drills, paint sprayer, all of that is continuous. The 3 intermittent things will be the floor nailer, cutoff tool, and a sander. So if you use any of those 3 things, it'll kick, it'll stop. So I know the flooring, I've done flooring with the hardwood flooring. This thing, it's alright, but it does cut out a little bit. So okay, let's take a look and see what's inside. Ooh yeah, love that smell, fresh plastics. So it does come with a hose. Looks not bad. Nice grips. It's got a nice rubberized plastic grip here for non-slippage. Alright. Is that a muffler? Or a sound, yeah, it's like one of those silencers. That's cool. Anything to make it a little bit more quieter, eh? Styrofoam. Alright, so I got the tires on there. Both the wheels are on there. They take 17 millimeter or 11/16. I also put the air compressor oil in here. So that's this guy right there. Just unscrew it, it's hand tightened. Unscrew it, put your oil in there, dump the whole thing in there, screw it back on again, just hand tighten, don't over tighten it. And here's some of the quick 7 steps here. So there's your on and off. I'll show you that on there later. But anyway, here's your on and off. There's your regulator. So it's got a plus or minus, so you want to on and turn that on and off. Attach your hose, put in your oil, make sure the tank drain valve located at the bottom of the gas. So just make sure the drain valve is closed. I have to still do that. Plug in your air compressor and turn on the pressure. So let's turn on the pressure here. Pretty much did that. This is in the off position and on is over here. So I got the muffler silencer thing on here. This is hand tightened already. And I better see if that shut-off valve is closed. So here's that valve right underneath. It's pretty tight. So there's the on and off. Just want to mention these are kind of wobbly. I hope that's not going to rattle when this thing's going. And let's have a first start on this guy. Okay, I didn't want to fill the whole thing because I'm not going to be using it right now anyway, but so there's my review. Hope you guys liked it. If you want to see anything else about this guy, please let me know down below if you want to see anything specific. Didn't attach any tools here, but I mean, looks like this is a quick release. This one, yeah, looks like this one will go on your tool. Yeah, see, I think you would have to take that coupler off to put this guy on here, but I have a full hose here with one of these ends on it already, one of these ends, so. But anyway, if you want to see more of these tool reviews, please hit the subscribe button and you'll get them as soon as they come out. Okay, I believe that is it for my time, and I do thank you for yours. Have a good one. Bye.